Hello, hello. I'm Chris with the Legacy team, and today we're going to produce the last candlestick variation. Now this is taking the rope twist effect and doubling it, going in both directions. We're going to show how this is done on the CNC, as well as how easy it is to actually program in Legacy's conversational CAM software. To kick things off, we're going to make some sawdust by turning the stock round. Now all the cutters that will be shown during this cutting demonstration are from magnate.net. All the turning techniques shown during this cutting demonstration were pioneered by Legacy's team back in the early 90s. We were able to figure out how to use the shapes of cutters to machine stock to any design application. You now have the same benefit, not just with Legacy CNC machines, but built into Legacy's Conversational CAM Pro software that gives any user the ability to create any design they wish. Here are the variations of the candlestick holder designs that we have created. You may notice that the top and bottom profile designs are identical across each application. However, the center, the core design, is going to be different for each candlestick. For example, we have flutes, we have the hollow spiral, we have the contouring. This last one that we're going to do for this variation is the double rope twist. Let's see how easy this is to produce in Conversational CAM. So if we go back to Conversational CAM Pro here, we're not going to create every single toolpath for this project, but we are going to show the highlights of just creating the double rope twist process. So let's show you what we have created already. So if I go to my candlestick holder project and we look under here, I have 6 different variations we've already programmed. The one that we are going to be working with today is the double rope twist candlestick holder, and we can see all the toolpaths are already laid out for turning the body round, doing the profile cuts on both ends with the barley twist cutter, and machining the flat shoulders with the 1/4" cutter. The only thing we're missing here is the double rope twist effect that needs to take place in the main body of the spindle. So let's add that to our toolpath list under Manage Toolpaths. We can click under the spiral listings, and here we find the rope twist process that we had previously used for the single rope twist effect. But we're going to add that, and here we have the ability to control the order sequence. So if we come up here and put this right before it machines the 2 flat processes with the 1/4" cutter, that's exactly where we want it. So I'm going to close that off, and now it's highlighted saying we need to input some parameters. So if we click in there, we're going to select the tool, which is going to be our rope twist cutter. So if we actually come down here and go to rope twist, 1" diameter is what was shown here in the cutting demonstration for this video. We can select that tool, and that is tool number 3. Now the starting and end position are the parameters that we need to input. I'm going to go to our drawing board here, where we have a 2D representation of the turning in the machine. This is the 4-jaw chuck, and this is the blank being mounted in that piece. And here we have the center of the graph, or the origin point, and from this point is where all parameters are being measured and programmed from that point forward. So here we have the starting position, and the ending position, which are the exact same starting and ending positions for the single rope twist effect. So we're going to plug in those same parameters. So we have 0.5337 as the starting point, 0.5337, and the ending position here was to the end at 3.2999. So we can plug that right here at 3.2999. It's still 3 starts, and we're not just doing a single direction of going to the left like we saw in another video. If we click this drop down, we can control either direction, left or right, but we can also do both now with Conversational CAM Pro. So by selecting both, we're going to go in both directions, creating that diamond effect. And the last parameter we need to fill in is the section diameter, and that's the turned round diameter that is 1.035 that this is all being machined onto. So let's put that in here of 1.035 and finish and save. All the parameters are updated, everything is ready to be generated. Now if we combine all the G-code together, this is the program that we saw cutting during the cutting demonstration. I hope you now have a better understanding on why all turning centers aren't created equal. By using Legacy's Conversational CAM Pro turning software, it makes it so everybody can create custom designs in literally minutes. Now, if you're interested in getting more information on Legacy CNC systems, or perhaps joining some of our community events like live online trainings, you can always jump on our website at lwmcnc.com. And if you're interested in talking to a CNC expert who can answer your questions, or if you're a Legacy CNC customer and you want to get a licensed copy of Conversational CAM Pro, then call 801-491-0010. If you want to see more video demonstrations like these, click right over there. Don't forget to like, subscribe, check that notification box so you can be notified when new videos like these come out. And as always, thanks for watching. But remember, Legacy solves more woodworking problems than any other CNC manufacturer in the industry.